Okay, so this is a homework for math. Week 7, Monday, Q1, Math 7. And it is on solving equation using fractions. So a lot of time you just have to cross multiply. So let's get started, Grayson. What's your answer for number 1? You didn't do it yet? Show me how you would do number 1. What's the relationship between the m and the 4? Huh?
I don't know.
It's divided, so how do you get rid of the 4?
4 divided by 1.
No. What's opposite of a divide by 4? Do you see how the division's right here? What's opposite of division by 4?
Times.
So let's do that. Okay, now that I help you with the first one, you do the second one on your own.
We don't like the name of this fraction.
That's all, please. We have a lot to go over. There's like 20 questions or 25 questions.
Not the name of fraction busting. Like we watched a video today on it, and there's
Let's
a
go.
guy that just.
I don't care. Let's go.
You
Okay.
should.
Looking at the next one. Do you see how there's a negative x over 6? Do you see that? Okay. So the negative x over 6, what's opposite of a division? So the multiply by 6, but do you also see there's a negative right there? So you can multiply by -6. You could just get rid of it all at once. Do you see that? So the negative cancels the negative, 6 cancels the 6. X equals -6 times 5. Now you try the next one by yourself.
What the sigma is having.
Do you really not understand what I'm doing? Okay, good. Next one, you try that on your own. Stop.
I'm not even seeing it on there.
What's your answer for number 3?
30.
What is that?
30.
Nope. How do you get rid of the -3?
What 3?
Isn't it t over 3 right here? How do you get rid of the -3?
Oh, I'm looking at the one. Okay, so then that becomes a multiplied by -3, which is a -18, or t is equal to t.
Okay, what's your question for number 4 since I can't see it? What's your question for number 4? What does it say?
-6 equals 3x divided by 5.
Okay. How do you get rid of 3 over 5?
Becomes a multiplied by 5.
No, remember the thing called reciprocal? Multiply by the reciprocal. What's the reciprocal of 3 over 5? You just flip it, remember?
Okay.
Not okay, you need to make sure you remember how to do this.
Okay.
Did she teach you anything today? Did you guys take any notes
No,
today?
we watched a video.
For the whole class?
For like 20 minutes of the class because the video was like 20 minutes, which absolutely did not help me because all he said was bust.
And then after that, what happened with the other 30 minutes?
She went over the homework.
And
Like she went over 3 problems of the homework. That was before the videos, and that took up like
okay. All right,
20
take a
minutes.
look over here. The 3 and the 3 cancel, the 5 and the 5 cancel. X is now by itself. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Do you see how you have a fraction and the -6? What do you put underneath the -6?
A 1.
Yeah, so is there anything I can cancel, top and bottom?
-6 and 3x.
There's no X with a 3. The X is, why do you have a 3x?
-6 and 3.
Yeah, so then what's your answer?
-10.
Good. Okay, now you do number 5 by yourself.
Fine. or T2.
No, try again.
How did you get negative 21?
What's the reciprocal of -2/7?
Oh my God. I need to do this. Oh wait, this actually feels really good.
I need you to go ahead and circle this in place.
No, give me some more.
Let's go. What's your answer for number 5?
-21 or -21.
Good, alright. Let's take a look at number 6. You see number 6? For number 6, you see the X right there, what's attached to X?
5/6.
-5/6, what's the reciprocal of that?
6/-5.
-6/5, right? If you put a negative on the bottom with a 5 or the 6, it doesn't matter, it's the same, okay? So do you see everything on the left side cancels, X is now by itself? I can cancel the 6 and the 4 and reduce it, which then makes that into a -3 and a 2, so now you just multiply it. And what is your answer?
-9/10.
Good. Alright, so now did you number 7 on your own? Go try it out.
Can I-
No,
Why?
because I want you to finish the next
But
one.
it tastes good.
If you have another one, if you get it right, maybe. Go.
I hate you. (8/9)
2/3 times 4/3 isn't giving you an 8/9. Good,
Can I have that?
you can
now?
have 1/6, yeah.
What?
Alright, take a look at number 8. Alright, let's move on. Take a look at number 8. Would you go ahead and work on that, please? Sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
It's okay.
Okay, go work on that, please.
Oh, well, I do. She's good.
Make sure you put it into a proper fraction. Take a look at number 8. Go ahead and work on that, please. Thank you.
-10/9.
Yeah, but how do you put it into a proper fraction?
Is -1/1/9. -1/1/9.
Okay, let's take a look at number 9. We gotta hurry up because there's a lot to do. Okay, do you see this one? Okay, how is number 9 different than all the other ones?
2x - 3.
Yeah, you have a binomial, right? So look up here. you're gonna have, I think you did this once before, you had to cross multiply it, do you see that?
Mm.
So you wanna put this into like a linear equation, so the yellow multiplies together. And the orange multiply together, do you see that? So the yellow will be 7 times 2x minus 3 equals the orange will be
Oh, that's
5 and
pretty
3 is 15, do you see that?
Mhm.
Then you have to distribute, right? So distribute. And then solve. So what did you get?
What is so freaking hard about
What did you
picking
get?
your clothes up
Okay,
and putting it in
so
the basket?
let me help you with
after
this.
you take
Did
it
you
off?
distribute?
What is so hard about this?
Did you distribute?
Go do it. Mad you too.
Did you
Go
distribute?
take a shower.
Huh?
Stinky little monkey.
Distribute, what did you get? 14x minus?
I don't think you have that.
Minus,
Quick it.
when you distribute, 7 times 2 is 14x. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21.
Oh.
And then solve.
And it has to be so hard.
Oh, yeah, that was it.
Just put them in there somewhere. Figure it out. Put them in the living room somewhere. No, leave them home. You're going to get up. It's not easy. Just put them in the laundry room.
Okay, did you get 14x minus 21?
Yeah.
Oh, just put it on the staircase, I'll bring it upstairs. Alright, so then. Did you get 14x squared minus 21 equals 15?
Yep.
Okay, what's the next step? You're trying to get x by itself, what's your next step? Tell me, what's your next step?
Well, that be. Cancel negative.
Yes,
Take a shower.
good, so what's 21 plus 15?
Now.
So then that's 36.
Go.
Good, now, what do you do with the 14 now?
Now.
What do you do with the 14?
Go to
Good.
the-
Now that's not gonna go in perfectly, so you're gonna have to reduce and put it into a proper fraction.
Um.
What's your answer?
2 over.
You could do 18 divided by 7.
Okay, 2 over 1/4.
Do something productive, read a book, do your homework. Get up off there, now. Bull crap. No, you are lying all the time about this. I'm sure there's something you can be able to do. Should be above.
X equals 2 and 4, 7.
No,
Did you get 18 over 7?
no,
Okay, 36 over 14, right?
yeah.
Reduce it. 36 over 14. They're both even. You can divide by 2. What's 18 divided by 2? Or what's 36 divided by 2?
18.
What's 17, 14 divided by 2? Do you now see how we got 18 over 7? They're both even numbers. You can always divide by 2. Now divide. Put into a proper fraction.
2 and 4, 7. 2 and 4, 7. Okay.
Okay. All right, let's go on to the next one. Okay, this one's the same thing. Do you see it? Cross multiply. So now look at the highlights. Green multiplies with the green. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Blue multiplies with the blue. Okay. So when you write this, it's 10 times parenthesis x plus 8. You gotta have the parenthesis because there's a binomial there, right?
Yeah.
9 times 4 is 36x. Now you know how to do the rest. Now distribute. For the next one, you want to be a little bit more careful, mainly because there's a negative x minus 2. Do you see that? Sometimes that messes people up, but you're gonna be distributing a 4 with it, so let's go do that. So 4 times parenthesis negative x minus 2 equals 3 times x plus 7. Okay, so go. Are you paying attention?
Yes.
Okay, so then you should have negative 4x. Well, actually, you should do it by yourself and then check your answer with me. This one you'll have x on both sides, so just be careful with it, okay? You take a So let's take a look over here. Did you get negative 4x minus 8 equals 3x plus 21? Right here in the green. You have this part right here? When you add the 4x over, 3x plus 4x is 7x. You do not add properly. But other than that, you'll be fine.
I thought that was a negative.
Yeah, that's why I say to be careful negative.
Negative 1/7.
All right, number 13, moving on. That's okay. Just grab a separate piece of paper. We'll grab it.
Actually, I could do it on the top.
No, there's line paper over there. Just grab a line piece. Go grab a line.
It's fine. It's
3,
fine. It's fine.
2.
No, it's fine.
I'm not asking you. Go
It's
grab a line paper.
fine. I can do it at the top.
Nope. I want you to go get a separate piece of paper.
I want to.
I want you to.
No.
Okay, I want you to go ahead and work on number 12 on your own. Make sure you multiply them and distribute. Okay, let's go on to number 13. So what's different about number 13? It looks different, right? Do you see number 13? What's
Yeah.
different about it?
It's like different.
Yeah, you have the y, but y is not by itself. What's attached to y?
Okay, number.
No, what numbers are attached to y on the left side?
Oh,
See what else?
3/5.
Okay, negative 3/5. Which one do you get rid of first?
3/5, negative 3/5.
Yeah, do you see how I'm writing this? First, second, opposite of a negative 3/5 is a positive 3/5, right?
Yeah.
So 2y equals 1/2 plus 3/5. You do have to find the lowest common denominator.
Eleven over 10.
Good, and then how do you get rid of the 2 right there?
Divide.
Okay, but remember, be careful with the reciprocal, be careful with the division, changing the multiplication.
So it's then 2/1 times 10/11.
It's 11/10 times what? You got it, yeah, just be careful with that.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Oh,
And what's your answer?
I didn't ask.
He's so funny. Happy, like me.
11/20.
Yep, you got it, yep. You do number 14 by yourself, make sure you know what you're doing.
Can I have some little?
No, not yet. No, let's go.
I think I might actually be going insane from it.
Good.
I don't know. I feel I have a huge headache.
Okay, well. We're gonna- Let's go over number 15. Number 15 is very similar. Do you see what the T is right there?
No.
T is not by itself. What's attached to T?
1/2.
And
And 4.
not 4.
No, 1/4.
Left side. Which one do you get rid of
1/4.
first?
1/4, sorry. 1/4.
Good. So I would suggest you subtract that on both sides, right? Just be careful because you haven't the common denominator, so make sure you put a 1 underneath it.
Shut up.
Did anyone say that?
No, Maddie.
Oh, okay.
He's ugly.
That's
No one
funny.
likes him. Ew.
He is very adorable.
No, he's
You're just
not.
jealous
He
because
looks like an ogre.
no, you're just jealous because you're not as handsome as Maddie.
What the hell am I saying?
Maddie is super
I
handsome.
think he looks like a
Hi, Mar. Have you done it up?
15/16.
Okay.
15/16?
I'm on page
That is
7.
not
I'm
right.
on page 72.
Keep reading, please. So let's go over this.
Oh wait, I'm stupid.
Mom, page 3.
What is that supposed to be?
Make sure
you label them.
I'm actually drunk.
Like,
Oh my god.
Make sure you label it, okay?
is this chocolate chip?
No, that's cookie dough.
I'm actually so stupid.
What you can share with Clinton. What you can eat, not eat when you eat half of him.
Mom, I'm actually drunk. I'm actually drunk.
Stop it.
Okay, so what I would actually. Okay, so I combine like terms with the 1/4 x plus x, which is 5/4 x.
Do you see how there's an X and an X on the left
Yeah,
side?
combine them,
Good, so do those on the side, 1/4
Four
plus 1/1,
which is equal to 1/4 plus 4/4,
which is what?
5/4.
Good. 5/4 X equals -3 plus 1/2 X. Do you see how there's a 1/2 X on the right side? you're gonna
Cancel.
subtract that, right?
Cancel.
So 5/4 minus 1/2,
There's 3/4.
which is gonna, no, it's not 3/4, because your common denominator is gonna be
4. Oh, you're right, it's not 3/4. Wait,
Is it 3/4? I don't know, I haven't checked it yet because my computer screen closed.
I believe it's 3/4.
Okay. I'm not saying it's not. Okay, so then, actually, this is gonna be kind of complicated. 2. So 7/4, do you have 7/4?
I got
X?
4, -4.
No, or I'm sorry, it is 3, sorry, it's 3/4, just kidding, sorry, that was my fault. 3/4. So then you times 4/3, the reciprocal. On both sides. So then that'll give you a -4, x equals -4.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, number 17, go ahead. Good job.
Oh my god, I might actually be drunk.
Okay, don't say that, please, that's not appropriate.
Oh wait, is this still
Yes, go
recording? Is this still recording?
Yeah, it is.
Oh. Don't feel sick.
Okay, so number 17, what did you get?
I got -1 and 5/6.
Good job. Okay, 18 is exactly the same, so go ahead and do the problem for that, and we'll check the answers, okay? But be careful with the M's, you understand me? Which M are you moving? Remember, you wanna move the smaller M.
Now come go bed.
I thought you were drawing, Emma. Clean up your mess up there and then we can go to bed.
So I just and you but this is a good idea.
Yes. 5.